Chrome Hearts X Air Force 1 takes the iconic Nike AF1 silhouette and elevates it with luxury, craftsmanship, and serious attitude. You've got premium leather construction, detailed hand-stitched silver embellishments, and that signature Chrome Hearts Gothic aesthetic. The bold cross motifs, silver-plated lace locks, and engraved metal eyelets scream exclusivity. This sneaker is not just a fashion statement, it's an art piece that blends streetwear and high fashion like never before. And let's not forget the insane level of quality that Chrome Hearts is known for. Every inch of this shoe is built to impress. Now, let's talk about what makes this sneaker more than just a collector's piece. First off, comfort. Since it's based on the Air Force 1, you know you're getting that legendary cushioned sole that keeps your feet feeling fresh all day. Then we've got durability. The premium materials used in this collaboration ensure that this shoe isn't just stylish but built to last. The leather is soft yet sturdy, and the metal accents add a rugged luxury that won't wear out easily. And let's not forget versatility. Whether you're rocking it with jeans, joggers, or even dressing it up, this sneaker adds that undeniable edge to any outfit. So, why should you own the Chrome Hearts X Air Force 1? Simple, it's a statement piece. This sneaker isn't just about style, it's about making an impact. If you're looking for high-quality replica sneakers at unbeatable prices, repsneaker.net is the go-to destination. They offer a massive collection of top-tier sneakers from brands like Air Jordan, Balenciaga, Dior, and Asics, ensuring that every pair meets the highest standards of craftsmanship. Whether you're after the latest drops or classic silhouettes, repsneaker.net has got you covered with detailed product images and reliable shipping. We know that trust is everything when it comes to online shopping, and that's why repsneaker.net has been reviewed on Trustpilot. Customers have shared their experiences, highlighting the quality of the products, smooth ordering process, and overall reliability of the website. If you're still unsure, head over to Trustpilot and check out the reviews for yourself, real feedback from real buyers. Now, here's the best part. As a special treat for my viewers, I've got an exclusive discount code just for you. Use Rsnow at checkout to instantly get 15% off your purchase. For example, these sneakers originally cost $144, but after applying the discount, they are just $122.40. That's an amazing deal you don't want to miss. One of the standout aspects of repsneaker.net is their dedicated team. They work tirelessly to ensure that every sneaker meets quality expectations before shipping. Their support team is also top-notch, always available to assist with any questions about sizing, shipping, or order tracking. If you ever need help, rest assured their customer support is quick and responsive. Alright, that's a wrap on today's unboxing of the Chrome Hearts X Air Force 1. If you loved this breakdown, make sure to smash that like button, drop a comment below on what you think about this sneaker, and don't forget to subscribe to Rsnow Unbox for more fire sneaker content. We've got more heat coming your way, so stay tuned.